Awesome. Excellent staff and the best food in town, great location, 2-minute walk to the beach, close to shops, city, restaurants and cafes. I love it. I would love here if I could. Heart. Great location. Staff are friendly and helpful, the rooms are clean, location is only a stroll to shops, beach and city, and it's only a short walk to the island ferry and bus terminal. I highly recommend this accommodation. Exceptional. Found it's very easy to book online and the service was fantastic. I love it. Good stay for budget travelers. Not exactly fancy but good comfy bed and lovely staff. Facilities were clean. Convenient how close it is to Kohl's, a pharmacy, clothes shops, Macca's and the beach, pub meals and drinks in the bistro downstairs. Has a pool, and off-street free parking lot. Had a great stay, relieved face, good value. I have stayed here before so I knew what to expect, easy check-in and friendly staff. A good place to stay. Great value. All we required was a clean comfy bed, a good shower, and aircon. All were fine. We had a ground floor room midweek and it was very quiet at all times. Thank you. Excellent. This review reflects a 2-night stay at the Hotel Allen. We had booked for 1 night but decided to extend an extra night. We think it's excellent value for money, although it is a bit tired and could do with some TLC. However, please look past that and see it for the little gem it is. The staff at the hotel are the best we've come across, helpful, friendly, and go that little bit further to make the stay a pleasant one. Room, bedding and towels very clean. The food is another level. We took advantage of the Valentine's night offer. In honesty, we weren't expecting much, but my God, when it came it was absolutely incredible. The chef is definitely one of the best. We've eaten in restaurants all over the world and the meal we had here is close to the best ever. Beautifully presented, cooked to perfection, and the flavors, just insane. The hotel is wheelchair accessible, has a nice outdoor area, an inviting pool and Wi-Fi in the bar area. The air conditioning both in the room and the bar is very efficient, which is always a bonus for us pommies. Tea and coffee making facilities, fridge that is exceptionally clean, TV and a small table and chair available for use in the room also. The daily specials are fantastic value for money and the quality of food outstanding, even more so given the price. If you want great value for money, brilliant service, and appreciate good food, and aren't particularly concerned about the cosmetics, then this is the place for you. Excellent, great location, cheap price.